Yan, so hello po. So dumating yung stocks natin. So eto yung mga iba't ibang kulay and new model natin. Tapos eto may nadagdag tayo na Solana Alloy, to Solana Pixie, Straight Geometry, plus yung JLab Breaker. So sa JLab Breaker, meron tayong tatlong kulay dyan. And then yung Solana Alloy, 4. Tapos Solana Steel, bali 10 colors po. So eto meron pa rin tayong JLab Steel, Straight Geometry, size 53. And then, yung Solana Steel ni Straight Geometry, so bali 9 colors. Hindi lang nakasemble yung iba kasi nabenta na po. And then, eto JLab V1, JLab Plain Black White, and 7,200. Tapos, eto naman yung JLab Supreme. So, bali dalawa na lang available. Tapos, road bike, meron tayong slope and straight geometry. And available all colors. And then, Solana Alloy. Ito naman yung classic, JLab V1, JLab Tri-Spoke, and Solana Mountain Bike 27.5. Tapos road bike color blue. Ayan yung itsura niya kapag nakapack. Ayan, para hindi sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ganyan po yung pack namin kasi yan yung sinusunod namin na packaging required by GNT. Tapos meron tayong mountain bike. Ayan, size 20 and 27.5 tapos e-bike. So available yan for pick up. And then, eto, big bike, e-bike po yan. So, may hindi nagtatanong kung digas po yan. And then, yan,